Let's fix this lion mane that I have going on. I'm going to be using my Wavy Talk brush. I like to start off by combing it. And you kind of roll it up. And then twist it out. This is one of my favorite hair tools because it is so easy to use and really, really quick. It has like some plastic pieces right here, this plastic. I use to comb and then I twist to then get a nice curl. Once you get to the top, I do like to separate this into sections. What I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna section off like my bangs part or like the front pieces, and these I'm gonna separate it because I don't want to do those. I want to do those together, like all the front pieces together. I'm gonna focus on this one piece at a time still. I'm gonna brush it out. Okay, now we're at the very end. You're gonna split this in half and we're going to grab this piece and we're just going to flip it. You're gonna hold it for a couple of seconds and then you're gonna let it go. And then you could just drop it. And you're gonna do the same to the bottom side. So you wanna flip it from the bottom first and then flip.